Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I am Safina Nur Aini with NIM 124010404071 from class 2C. Here I will present the process of making my article entitled Social Studies Students' Perspective on the use of Google Books digital learning resources to improve students' academic understanding. I got the parts, namely abstract, result and discussion, and reference. Page number 1, journal template requirement, example, result, and discussion. The journal template record the following content. The research result and discussion are presented in one unit. The author does not need to create separated subchapters between the research result and discussion, calculation, and data analysis process such as statistical calculation and hypothesis testing process do not need to be presented. Only the result of the analysis and the result of the hypothesis testing need to be written. The research result can be supplemented with tables, images, or graphs to clarify the presentation. The discussion is present with the aim of number 1, answering to a research questionnaire, 2, showing how the findings were obtained, 3, interpreting the findings obtained, 4, presenting the result of the research finding with an established college structure, 5, generating new theories of modification to existing theories. Note, make sure you read the requirement of your journal template carefully. Number 2, number and topic of your paragraph. Part A, in the result part, I have 2 paragraphs. Part B, the topic of each paragraph are: paragraph 1, data from the instrument, questionnaire analysis. Paragraph 2, data from the instrument, document analysis. Next, discussion about page 3, main idea of each paragraph. Here are the main idea of each paragraph and result. Paragraph 1, this study uses a quantitative method based on the perspective of social studies. Oke, jaringan tadi terputus. Maaf tadi jaringannya terputus. Ulangin dari paragraph 1. This studies uses a quantitative method based on the perspective of social studies students in the act of running researches in digital Google Books can improve academic understanding. The part above discusses the part that is the result. Next. Number and topic of your paragraph. Part A, in the discussion part, I have 4 paragraphs. Part B, the topic of each paragraph are: Paragraph 1, using Google Books as a learning resource. Paragraph 2, improving academics understanding. Paragraph 3, constraints and challenges. Paragraph 4, Google Books usage strategy. Next, main idea of each paragraph. Here are the main idea of each paragraph in discussion. Paragraph 1, this is study provides result from the perspective of student in using Google Books. Paragraph 2, the use of Google Books can help improve students' academics understanding. Paragraph 3, the problem with using Google Books is causing accurate reference searches. Paragraph 4, Google Books usage strategy. Students who effectively use Google Books as a learning resource tend to read from referral research before compiling information using their own language by causing trusted learning sources. Next, page 7. Presentation of each paragraph. Results. Paragraph 1. The main idea of paragraph 1 is this study as a quantitative method based on the perspective of social studies student in the as of learning research in digital Google Book can improve academics understanding. The supporting sentences of this paragraph are the result of the questionnaire studied the around 80% of social studies students agreed that the act of learning research in digital Google Books could improve academic understanding, and the rest showed natural in the ask of Google Books to improve academics understanding. Next, page 8. Presentation of each paragraph discussion. Paragraph 1. The main idea of paragraph 1 is the study provides result from the perspective of student in using Google Books. Sentence 2. Students provided their perspective on using Google Book based learning research to provide relevant and search result. Sentence 3. It was found that Google Books is the preferred research application among students due to its user-friendly application and easy of accessing various information, reflecting a shift from traditional library research to digital platform. Next, presentation of each paragraph discussion. Paragraph 2. The main idea of paragraph 1 is the ask of Google Books can help improve students' academics understanding. The supporting sentences of this paragraph are sentences 2. This study show that students who ask digital textbook can improve academic understanding tremendously. This is shown by how integrating technology into the educational process can lead to better engagement and understanding of the material and ensuring that digital research and effectively tailored to educational needs, thus providing a positive impact on students. Next. Presentation of each paragraph discussion. Paragraph 3. The main idea of paragraph 1 is the problem with using Google Books is causing accurate reference research sources. The supporting sentences of this paragraph are sentences to one significant limitation of using Google Books is the accuracy of its result. Critics have raised concern about the reliability of the data product by Google Book, suggesting that the result might not always be related to the or representation. Next. Next, presentation of each paragraph discussion. Paragraph 4. The main idea of paragraph 1 is Google Book usage strategy. Students who effectively as Google Books as a learning research tend to read from several sources before compiling information using their own language by causing trusted learning sources. Next, citation discussion, paragraph 1. I made citation in sentence 1. This study provides results from the perspective of students in using Google Books. Students provided their perspective on using Google Books based on learning research to provide relevant and search result. Citation from Soto Rodriguez et al. 2023. Sentence 2. It was found the Google Book is the preferred research application among students due to its user-friendly application and ease of accessing various information, reflecting a shift from traditional library researches to digital platforms. Citation from Prasetyawan et al. 2024. Next. Citation discussion paragraph 2. I made citation in sentence 1. The Ask Google Book can help improve students' academics understanding. This study shows that students who use digital textbook can improve academics understanding tremendously. This is shown by how integrating technology into the educational process can lead to better engagement and understanding of the material and ensuring the digital research are effectively tenored of educational needs that's providing a positive impact on students. Citation from Maudi et al. 2023. Next. Citation discussion paragraph 3. I made citation in sentence 1. The problem with using Google Book is causing accurate reference sources. One significant limitation of using Google Book is the accuracy of its result. Critics have raised concerns about the reliability of the data produced by Google Books, suggesting that the result may not always be related to the actual discussion of representation. Citasi dari Madsen and Salatin 2022. Next. Citation discussion paragraph 4. I made citation in dot not as a citation, alias tidak ada citasinya. Next, reference list. Here are my reference lists from discussion paragraph 1. Itu dari Soto Regards, Quispe Momani, F. Duran La Roca, L. and Jerica Roscoe. Juga from Education and Apprentissage Significative de los Estudiantes de Educación Superior Revista Abid Rada Interdisciplinaria Koinonia. Terus yang kedua ada Prasetyawan. Itu dari paragraf 1 di bagian yang discussion. Terus next, here are my reference lists from discussion paragraph 2. Referensi from Maudi, Kafik, Talbi, and Bowery, Digital Textbook and Educational Outcomes, halaman 1 sampai 13. Terus next paragraph 3, Madsen and Salatin, the possibilities and limitation of using Google Books, Graham for its research on management fashion yes. Oke. Sekian dari presentasi saya. Apabila ada kurang lebihnya, saya mohon maaf. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.